Hello students, our today's topic is SMPS, that is switch mode power supply of unit 4. Okay, so first we see what is SMPS. So SMPS is a device which is used to convert AC or DC signal into a regulated DC output. This device is work at a high frequency. Okay, we can define it as electronic circuit that can be converts power using switching devices turn on and turn off at higher frequency. Okay, now we can see here the block diagram. So from block diagram it shows that the SMPS is also a series regulator. Now this consists of four components. First is V input unregulated DC voltage, electronic switch, pulse generator, filter, and this one is the low. Okay, now we see the operation. The pulse generator generates rectangular pulses which are applied to the control terminal of an electronic switch. The switch is turned on and turned off with the help of these rectangular pulses. Okay. Now, this switch is an electronic switch which is typically a transistor or a MOSFET. Okay. It is used in its saturation and cutoff region and not it is in the active region. When this switch is on, it connects the unregulated DC input, that is V input, to the input of filter, and when the switch is off, it disconnects the V input from the input of the filter. Okay, that means when switch is on, filter input voltage is how much? It is V input, and when switch is off, filter input voltage is equal to 0. This is shown in waveform also. So these are the waveform. Okay, so you can see here it is the filter input voltage. Okay, and it is a rectangular. Okay, so here you can see this is switch on, here switch is on, switch is off. This is T on time, T off time. Okay, now by comparing these two waveform, we can say with increase in the T on, that is duty cycle, the average value also increases. Okay, see here the T on time is less as compared to next waveform. Okay, so average value of above waveform is less as compared to average voltage of this second waveform. Okay, therefore we can say with increase in T on, that is duty cycle, the average value also increases. Okay, now the duty cycle is given by D. D is equal to T on upon T on plus T off. This is the time period T, so it is replaced by T on upon T. Okay, again time period T is equal to 1 upon frequency. Okay, now the filter then convert the rectangular waveform at its input into a smooth DC voltage by removing the ripple content. Okay, and the expression for DC output voltage of switching regulator is given by this V0 is equal to T on upon T into V input, where this is the duty cycle, so replace it by D. So the expression is V0 is equal to D into V input. Okay, thus the average output voltage is dependent on duty cycle D, and the average output voltage will increase with increase in the value of duty cycle. Okay, thank you.